Okay, hello and good day everyone. No, so today we will discuss about the cyclic quadrilateral theorem. No, so cyclic quadrilateral theorem it states that opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. Okay, so dito sa theorem na to, no, mayroon tayong mga figures na kung saan may quadrilateral doon sa loob ng circle. Okay, so just like this one. No, in this example, as you can see, we have quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Now, here's the problem. Now, find measure of angle A, measure of angle C, and measure of angle D. If your measure of angle B is 40 degrees, arc AB is 100 degrees, and your AD is 110 degrees. Okay? So, paano natin hahanapin to? Unahin natin si angle D since given naman si angle B. Sabi dito, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. Ibig sabihin, si angle D and angle B, no, are opposite angles. At the same time, they are supplementary. Okay? So kung supplementary, we have measure of angle D plus measure of angle B is equal to 180 degrees. And then substitute your measure of angle B to 40. And then transpose it to the other side. Then we have measure of angle D is equal to 180 minus 40 is equal to 140 degrees for your measure of angle D. Okay? Next. Okay. Hanapin naman natin si measure of angle C. So how can we find measure of angle C? Okay? By the use of these two arcs. Kasi nga, hindi natin pwedeng apply yung cyclic quadrilateral theorem. That is because your A here is still unknown pa. Okay? Which is the opposite angle of C. Wala pang given yung measure of angle A natin. Ang available lang na given is yung arc AB and arc AD. Now, what is the intercepted arc of angle C? We have BAD. Yan ang magiging intercepted arc. And your DAB or BAD is composed of two arcs. We have AB and AD. Therefore, by applying the arc addition postulate, no, measure of arc DAB is equal to measure of arc DA plus measure of arc AB. Okay? Substitute your DA to 110 degrees. Your AB naman to 100. No, 110 plus 100, that would be equal to 210 degrees for your measure of arc DAB. Okay? Now, since nakuha na natin yung intercepted arc ng C, we are going to apply na yung inscribed angle theorem. Wherein, your measure of angle C here is equal to 1/2 of its intercepted arc, which is measure of arc DAB. Again, what is your DAB? That is equal to 210 degrees. No? Then, multiplied by 1/2 or divided by 2, then we have 105 degrees for your measure of angle C. Okay, now, find measure of angle A naman. Okay, so dito, we can apply now the cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Okay, so here, your A and C are supplementary. That is because they are opposite angles, no? The converse of the theorem. Measure of angle A is unknown. Measure of angle C is 105 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Transpose natin, we have 180 minus 105 is equal to 75 degrees for your measure of angle A. Okay. Next. Okay, here in this figure, now we have circle O, and then in circle O, quadrilateral SPQR is inscribed. Now, if measure of angle P natin is 96 degrees, ito yon, and your S is 84, what is your measure of angle R and measure of angle Q? Arc SPQ and arc QRS. Okay, isa-isahin natin. Unahin natin si measure of angle R. No? Measure of angle R, ito yon. Ano yung opposite angle niya? That is P. Okay? And according to cyclic quadrilateral theorem, no? Opposite angles are
Sir, tapos na po.
supplementary. Okay? And then, here, no? Measure of angle P plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Substitute your P to 96, no? Then transpose it to the other side. We have measure of angle R is equal to 180 minus 96. 180 minus 96 is equal to 84 degrees for your measure of angle R. Okay? And then, Hanap natin si R, si Q naman, no? Si Q, ito yon. Ano yung opposite angle niya? S, no? Ilan si S? 84. Again, they are supplementary, no? By applying the cyclic quadrilateral theorem, substitute your S to 84, then transpose it to the other side. Measure of angle Q is equal to 180 minus 84. 180 minus 84 is equal to 96 degrees for your measure of angle Q. Okay. Next, punta naman tayo sa mga arcs, no? For measure of arc SPR. Ito si SPR. SPR. Okay? So, yung inscribed angle niya is angle R. Now, ito yun, R, no? Ito yung inscribed angle niya. Now, by applying the inscribed angle theorem, we have measure of angle R is equal to 1/2 of measure of arc SPR. Now, your R here is equal to 84, no? 84 degrees. Then multiply it by 2. So 2 times 84, that would be equal to 168 degrees for your measure of arc SPR. Next, measure of arc QRS naman, no? The final one. Now, QRS, ano yung inscribed angle niya? That is angle P. Now, by applying the inscribed angle theorem ulit, no? Substitute, no? Your P to 96, no? Then multiply it by 2 so that we can find the measure of arc QRS, no? 2 times 96, that would be equal to 192 degrees. Okay? Next. Ito, another example, no? In a circle O, now we have RMLQ as the inscribed quadrilateral. Now, if measure of angle M, ito yon, tinutukoy natin itong angle, is 4x degree and your Q naman is 6x plus 10 degrees. What is the measure of angle M and measure of angle Q? So, dalawa lang, no? First thing to do here is to find the value of x, no? To find it, we will apply the cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Okay, as you can see, Q and M are opposite angles, therefore, they are supplementary. Okay, now substitute your M to 4x, your Q naman to 6x plus 10 degrees equal to 180. Again, remove natin tong degree sign so that we can find the value of x. Now, 4x plus 6x is 10x. Transpose 10 to the other side. No? Then we have 180 minus 10 is 170. No? Then divide both sides by 10. Cancel this out. Your x is equal to 170 divided by 10 is 17. Now, balikan na natin yung mga angle measures nito ng M at saka ng Q. If your x is 17, then your measure of angle M is equal to 4x. Substitute it to 17. 4 times 17, that would be equal to 68. For Q naman, substitute again your x to 17. So 6 times 17, that would be equal to 102. Plus 10 is equal to 112 degrees. Okay? Now, exercise tayo, no? Here, given the figure here, no? If measure of angle B, ito yon, is 124 degrees, what is measure of angle D? Again, cyclic quadrilateral theorem, opposite angles are supplementary. Okay? Now, substitute your B to 124, then transpose it to the other side. 180 minus 124 is equal to 56 degrees for your D. Okay? Next, if measure of arc BCD is 244, what is your A? Again, no? Inscribed angle theorem, no? Apply natin. Substitute your BCD to 244, then multiply it by 1/2 or divide it by 2. Then 244 divided by 2 is equal to 122 degrees. Okay? Okay, last one. If measure of angle C naman, not the same figure, is 89, and your C, and then your A is 2x minus 5, what is your X? Okay, hanapin natin yung X, no? Now, substitute your A to 2x minus 5 degrees, then your C to 89. Then, remove muna natin to, mga degrees. Okay? We have 2x minus 5 plus 89. That would be equal to 84, equal to 180. Transpose 84 to the other side. Then we have 2x equal to 180 minus 84 is equal to 96. Okay? Divide both sides by 2. Cancel this out. Your x is equal to 96 divided by 2 is equal to 48. No? So your x here is 48. Okay, that's it. Thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay? That's all. Goodbye and God bless.